Just a review of the angles that we have found useful if you really want to enhance your teamwork. This is the Joy monitor view. This GoPro is attached to Joy's monitor. So you get a view of not only her table, but as you can see, as we're getting ready to work, you want to see how your protocol is disciplined and orderly, and you do things the same way. So I always grab the scope, I let Joy get positioned, and we don't start until both of us are completely in the position. And this angle really kind of shows that very well. You can see Joy adjusting her chair. Now we're getting ready to give anesthesia. You can see how she's getting her position ready. She has her tray ready. She knows what hand. Then that's the cart view. That is a GoPro that just sits on the cart. This is actually the view through the microscope. That's the Joy monitor view. So you're able to go seamlessly in between these. Now, as you can see, we're giving anesthesia. I'll use another view. We want to show the teamwork involved in passing the syringe. And that's a GoPro on my big monitor. So having those views is very valuable, especially if you want to critique your teamwork and really get good at this. That's the Joy monitor view. This is a view behind Joy, which I have found to be very helpful as well. So to be able to go seamlessly in between these views, that's the cart view. And you can see it shows Joy's position. And we use Resolve software to do this. It's very simple. It's free software. It syncs all these views up so that it doesn't take a long time to go from one view to the next, and they're all synced. So these are the different views. 4 views is really enough to do it. So I hope that helps you in deciding how to put the GoPros in your office.